No, I gave her the phone.
My birthday present? No.
I didn't get a phone for my birthday.
You don't live in the same house.
I don't care.
She's working on it. We haven't had a good run of last lately. The phones.
Very thick. I'm working on it, Shivan. I'm working on your phones.
What phone do you want?
I don't know what phone they want now.
I want the BlackBerry gold. Dark gold with the one on the 5 megapixel camera.
Everybody's got Blackberries.
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
Maybe a cheap way of staying in contact.
No, what is economical? That's why. But if I had a choice, wow, ouch. If I had a choice, I'd get iPhones for everyone.
The iPhone.
You think all my hair fall off, Ashka? She looks like
Who?
Ashka. Brace yourself.
No, she promised me she's not going to run away.
And Satchi can move me in the chair. He can catch her and hold her down.
Oh, sorry, I'll ask her not to run away.
Ask me not to. Yeah. Okay. How does
How do you
not
know
catching the hair?
No, because you're not working properly yet.
I'm not working.
You're not working it properly yet.
Really? We're going to put it back now.
Yeah, we're
Don't worry, there's still more than enough here.
We're gonna glue it back.
What's wrong with it? Each candy have to choose. That's what he said about. I don't know. Now we have to take a photo from sunshine. No, I don't know.
It's the same like the MTN brand that has the Bluetooth keyboard.
Yeah.
And it's, you don't get, you lose your warranty on your tablet if you don't choose the same product.
If you don't use the, so you have to use a Vodacom product.
No, I have to use the
Lenovo.
Lenovo product.
And
Ashka is horrified currently.
Is she?
Yeah, I see it in my face.
Again, I say I've never had short hair in my life.
Yes. Well, then it's high time that you have. Don't you think so?
Yeah, but she's had short hair.
you only had
You had
short hair
I
one. There's one photo of you, the baby photo.
Yeah,
And
and
the
the
hair
hair
was
was
big.
and it was just starting to grow in curl.
Into an afro. Yeah.
No, she had a ponytail. It was not an afro.
No, the baby photo.
The baby hair, the one that has those baby curls. That was starting. So mean, Shivana.
The one she was? What did she say?
Her hair was going into an afro.
Who?
Ashika.
You got curly hair.
It curls when it's short, and when I wash it, it does. It's slightly wavy,
Is it? No, wavy, but not like really
not
curly.
curly.
I'm catching on my hair. It's
Just
back.
like curly to stage.
Whatever he's doing because it will grow out.
I see people every day, hey? I'm in the
You see
public
people every day?
eye. I'm in the public eye a lot.
She's motivated for her hair not to be short.
Rainbow colored spikes.
I work in the public sector.
So then we can make it pink
A
and
lot of people
spiky.
have known me for the past 10 years. A lot of people have known me for the past 10 years, eh?
Who's that?
Did you first strike, sir? Did you first strike?
We do for a strike. We won't strike.
For a strike.
Yeah. You know, public sector workers.
Oh, you're working for the public sector?
Yeah.
Then we can take it all off.
Yeah. That's what I said. And put your union thing at the back of your head.
I'm also quite conservative, huh?
It sounds like it, but I don't believe you.
Let's just say
No, you just don't want to believe me.
Yeah, but yeah, this suits him. Mohawk. We can even do one of those things with his name on it and all of that.
No, 1 and 3 is going to school on Tuesday. Then send him home. They'll phone me and say I'm taking home.
Did you see that?
That's all my hair. Do you want some?
We've still got half left here. Let's just take a break first.
That's how hectic it is cutting your hair.
You know what you have now? You have like a 1980s
Oh my God! Yeah,
a mullet.
I hate that do.
Now we just have to perm the front too.
You.
You remember those half-head perms?
Yeah, I remember those. Terrible. And those undercuts.
But isn't it look like cheap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But everybody wore them, so you
Exactly.
didn't feel bad because everybody started like at it.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to gain.
Let's leave it like that. But then this must be spiky. Remember the post office hairstyles?
No.
All the guys working in the post office.
Perm from here.
Perm. Yeah.
And the
They just perm the
WWE
top.
superstars, they have that spike here and their hair, the long hair in the back.
Really perm.
Yeah.
Maybe I
Yeah.
can
Like
run
that
now
rockstar punk look.
with my
We
hair.
spike this up and we keep this long.
Yeah. Good idea. What you say, Lish?
No.
No, that's not a way.
She's got a big mouth, eh?
My poor dog won't recognize me.
But wait till she sits in this chair. Then
I should wait till
we'll
you sit in this chair.
then we'll hear what she says.
Still have time to run, huh? I've got the car keys.
You got the car keys.
Shikar is bald.
No, he's not bald. I only 1 and 3. I want to make him bald until summer.
You see him now. You took him 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have to hold him while the guy cuts his hair.
I will go through that again.
He was
I will
younger.
go through that.
No.
That was
You
terrible,
deal with it. You have to hug him, hold him while somebody tries to cut his hair. God.
And the face cut over the eyes.
The face cut, yeah.
He's the one lady that was cutting his hair. You know the one that was first to go to the pregnant. He hit her. He hit her stomach to her dad.
But he's only a baby.
Mine is a year old, but he can hit. He doesn't let it.
He's very happy about me and actually, that's not my idea. I'll get money saved. How much of the area? Then.
Yeah.
How old is he?
Somebody showed me where it is. I don't know what they'll do with it though.
Check
the weave. See? See how much hair I got you?
Does it feel like this?
Very much so. The same way they would be making favorite times, so no? You can make that. Very much. Because you don't expect it to be hard. It's all from my hair. It's from my hair now. They have to be there.
Remember there was another piece. Where's the other piece?
She was pushing the
Oh, that's up. There's some more, that's up.
There's a lot of hair now.